Going on, everybody? We are back to springtime turkey action here in Tennessee. Thank God. It's March the 3rd, Good Friday. We got Juvenile in the morning, so hoping everything pans out great for everybody. I've been watching birds over the past month, waiting until they break, see where each of them go or how many ever go which way, whatever. I found some decent flocks. I'm in here where I heard the birds gobble this morning. They were right up in here. Somebody's got a cleared seat over there. But scratching all up in here. So that's a good sign. I've got the perfect tree right over here. Perfect setup if they come in here and roost again. But we'll see. It's a little thicker than what I thought. I knew it was going to be a little thick, but it's a little bit thicker. Good morning, everybody. We're walking in now. It's about 4:30. Gonna get set up. Already got a couple people out. Heard some birds yesterday on the roost. And we're gonna try and slip in and get on them. We had some other guys listening to them, have been watching them too. And they were cool about it. We both was cool, you know. We were mature people, didn't want to fight over no bird. I told him even though I was first, I said, you can have it if you want it. And he said no, so we're going to try and go get him. just get in front of him. And hopefully he can get his shot. But y'all sit tight, we'll just look. Good job, kid. You're welcome, man. I told you could do it. Dang. Hell yeah. Give me 5, boy. Give me 5. Everybody stick with it, my man. Oh, I ain't shot. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. You the man, boy. You the man. You can take your mask off now. You already did your job.
I'll take my hair out.
Yeah. Oh, just wait on your hair.
Oh, you can look at me.
We gotta go all the way down there. Get decoys. Hey, will you pick that up for me?
Sure.
Go ahead, my buddy. Hold your bird. Damn. I lost it. My boy done got it done, boy. My boy got it done. I knew he would. Let me put this on. Autofocus. Before I turn it on. Hold your bird up for me. Good job, son. Good job.